In this video, we are testing a scrap metal hammer crushing and sorting line designed for processing mixed metal waste. The input materials include waste electric motors, copper and aluminum heat sinks, and small household appliances such as electric fans. First, all materials are fed into the hammer crusher, where they are broken down into smaller pieces and fully liberated. After crushing, a magnetic separator removes ferrous metals like iron and steel. Next, the remaining materials enter the eddy current separator, which efficiently separates non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum and copper, from plastics and other non-metal materials. Through this combined process of hammer crushing, magnetic separation, and eddy current separation, the line achieves high recovery rates and clean output materials. This system is ideal for scrap yards, metal recycling plants, and e-waste recycling facilities looking to improve efficiency and maximize metal value.